Question 3 asks us to solve, graph, and check the following compound inequality of 1/2 n is less than -1, or 4n plus 3 is greater than -12 plus n. So to do this, I'll just simply go through both inequalities by themselves. So I'll start over here on the left side. I have 1/2 times n. To undo a fraction, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal, which in this case is 2. So multiply both sides by 2. I'll get 1/2 times 2 is 1, so I'm left with n. Is less than -1 times 2, which is -2. On my right-hand side, I have a balancing situation here. I have 4n plus 3 on one side and -12 plus n on the other. I want to get all my n's to one side and all my constants to the other first. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract n from both sides. 4n minus an n will be 3n plus 3 is greater than -12. Get my constant on the right, I'll subtract 3 from both sides. So I'm left with 3n is greater than -15. And the last step would be to divide by 3. So I'm left with n is greater than -5. So to go ahead and graph this, my first situation is n is less than -2. So at -2, we have an open circle. And 3, 4, 5, -5 will be right here. And that's going to be everything that's less than -2. So that's going to be shading this way. My second inequality, I have n is greater than -5. Again, it's not equal to, so open circle. And this is going to be shaded the other way. And if this was an and situation, we'd want the overlap. This is an or situation. An or means anything that's going to be shaded in will be part of our solution. And so our solution actually just keeps going both directions. And so our final answer is everything. It's all real numbers.